back to another video. So today I'll be unboxing a brand new red iPhone 11 right here. Now this is the 128GB version. As everyone knows, the new iPhone 12 is coming out very soon. Because of that, prices on the iPhone 11 have been reduced, and I thought that it would be a perfect opportunity to finally upgrade my smartphone, as well as upgrade the video quality on this channel as well. I'm currently and have been filming with the Samsung Galaxy S8, but since I had it for the past 3 years, I thought that it would be time for an upgrade. So I have purchased the iPhone 11, and I bought it in red because it is my favorite color. So like I said, this is the 128GB iPhone 11. I got it for a very nice price because the iPhone 12 is coming out very soon. And why I didn't wait and purchase the iPhone 12? Well, basically it is a 5G marketed phone, and because I am living in Germany, there is no 5G over here yet, and I don't think that there will be any 5G anytime soon. So I thought that it might not be worth waiting for, and I might as well just upgrade right now to a new iPhone 11, and maybe eventually in a couple years I would upgrade to a 5G smartphone, but for now I don't see that in the near future. So this is probably the best option for me personally, and I'm very happy about this purchase, and I can't wait to open it up and show you guys. If you like this video, please leave a like down below. Comment down below, what do you guys think about the iPhone 11, and are you purchasing the 12? If so, let me know down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this, and please ring the bell down below so that you can get notifications every time I post a new video. Alright, so the phone is still factory sealed. It hasn't been opened yet. As always with all Apple products, there is this little pull tab here, so why don't we just give it a go. So it's out of the plastic. Let's open this up and see what it looks like inside. Wow. So straight away, very sleek design. I really like both of the cameras on the back side, and the sleek red, very cool. The red color is perfect. Wow, that's really nice. The display is nice and big, has a very nice heavy feel to it, and the back is not slippery at all, so it's really nice for a good grip. So let's just turn this on right now. I believe we press this button here. Yep, and it's on. So this is my second iPhone that I ever had. The first iPhone I had was the iPhone 4, and that was back in high school when I was in 9th grade. It just came out, and I really liked it a lot. I used it all throughout high school. I'm gonna keep the foil on for now. I have a screen protector that I will install right after this video, but for now I'm just gonna keep the foil on it to keep the glass and the screen safe. And now we can choose what language we want to select. I'm gonna select English. Select your country or region. We are in Germany, so I'm gonna select Germany. So now we have a quick start prompt. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near, but I won't do that in this video. I'll do that after this video. This is basically just a quick little unboxing to show you guys the new red iPhone 11. I'm very happy to have it. I think it's gonna be a really nice upgrade from the Samsung Galaxy S8. I think I'm gonna have a lot more fun recording and filming videos on YouTube and editing them as well. Alright, so now I'm gonna set up manually. Written and spoken languages. Choose a Wi-Fi network. We'll choose our network here. Password. Of course, I don't remember the Wi-Fi password, so I'm gonna look at that right now. Alright, so I set up my Wi-Fi. I'm gonna click next, and now it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone, so it's just loading right now. While that's loading, let's put that over here. And why don't we just check what's inside of this box here. So, as always, designed by Apple in California. When we lift it open, we have this little product red paper right here. We have basically all the manuals in different languages. We have this little key for the SIM card. Then we have some small warranty fine print stuff, and we have 2 Apple logo stickers as well. In this box, we have some new Apple earbuds. They are wired, but I do have the AirPods, so I won't be using these. I will just keep them in the box. It also comes with an adapter, and of course the lightning cable, and that's it. We get quite a lot of things, as always with the iPhones. Now the new iPhone 12, what I heard is that there will be no earbuds or charger. According to Apple, it's to reduce their carbon footprint. Alright, so let's see what our phone has been doing. Data and privacy. This icon appears. Okay, we'll just continue. Now we're gonna set up some Face ID to access the phone because these iPhone 11s don't have any home button. Let's set up Face ID. So Face ID is now set up. They want us to create a passcode, so I'm gonna just do that right now. Alright, so after creating the passcode, now apps and data, choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this iPhone. So we can restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly from iPhone, move data from Android, which I will do because I have the Samsung, or don't transfer apps and data. So move data from Android. Alright, so now I'm gonna sign into my Apple ID, which I set up when I purchased my iPad. So I'm gonna set up everything else off camera. So that was just a quick little unboxing to show you the phone and what comes inside and a little bit of the process, how to set it up. So I'm very excited. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please leave a like down below. Comment down below what you think of the iPhone 11. And do you guys like it in the red color or in any other color? Let me know down below as well. Please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content like this. I will be uploading more videos soon, so please look forward to that. And hit the bell down below to get some notifications for every time I post. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoy this unboxing of the iPhone 11. My first time unboxing an iPhone, and I'm very happy to have this in hand now so that I can record and film for you guys some really nice quality things. I hope you guys have a nice day, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.